In today's video, I'm going to be giving you a full beginner's guide to Teachable. I'm going to show you exactly how to set up a course on Teachable so you don't have to guess and you know exactly what to do. So let's get right into the video. So here I am inside of Teachable, and the first thing I'm just going to do is I'm going to quickly sign up for an account here. It's completely free to try for a few weeks, I think maybe a month. And then after that, the most basic plan is going to be $59 a month. So I'm going to sign up for the free trial and I'm going to see you inside. Okay, so now that I'm inside of Teachable, the first one we're going to want to go ahead and do is actually create a school. So I'm going to click here on Create New School, and we're going to want to set the name of our school. Now you can think of one now, and you can change it later, or you can just skip this for now. I'm just going to call this Easy L. So I've clicked Create New School, and it's now going to create it. It should take a few seconds to load. And it's going to ask a few questions here. Fill this in as best you can, because that will help tailor the experience to you. Now, once we get to this section, it's going to ask us what type of product we want to actually sell. So we've got the online course, digital download, coaching, and community. Now, pick whichever one is most relevant to you, but if you don't know yet, you can click this button at the bottom that says, I'm not sure yet, I just want to explore Teachable for now. So I'm going to click that one, I'm going to click continue. Now you can see we're actually inside of Teachable, and on the left-hand side here, we've got a few different things that we can look at. So to start off here, we've got the Get Started tab. This basically teaches you everything you need to know. Next, we have the dashboard. So the dashboard's going to contain things about the sign-ups on your school and all that kind of data, your students, the lessons completed, the courses completed, all that kind of stuff, just so you can get an overview. Users is going to be who's actually inside of your group, and now you've got students here. These are people that have actually signed up, and here you've got leads. So this is people that haven't signed up yet, but they're a lead. We've got owners, so that would be you. Authors, that's people who are writing it. Affiliates is people that are affiliating for your company or your Teachable, and then we've got customer tags, which is kind of irrelevant. Now the next up, the thing that we have here, which is kind of important, is our website itself. So the website is going to be for kind of advertising the Teachable, and it's quite good because it allows you to show off exactly what different courses you have and that kind of thing. Now it's not as good as something like Shopify or another website builder which is designed for websites, but it's going to be good for just a quick way to display everything. So what you can do here is you can go ahead and add some branding and logos. So if you go here, you can upload a logo, you can upload a thumbnail, and you can upload a favicon. So I've just added a logo there. Next, we can go down to the font family. So this is what is the font that you want across your site. Pick one. They've got quite limited ones here. I'm just going to pick this one, and it will show you a preview there. Now, for the color palette, you can select the color palette that you want your site to be. It really depends on what you like. You can change the individual colors as well by going in here. So this is the different things you've got, like the buttons, the headings, the body text, all that kind of stuff. So you can just save that. Next up, we have domains, and this is where you can connect a domain. So they'll give you a Teachable domain by default, but what you can also do is add a custom domain. If you click add domain here, you type in the domain, and now I add the domain. Now, if you want to actually add a custom domain, you're going to have to upgrade here to be able to do that. Now, navigation, this is like the navigation bar at the top, so you can add different navigation bits. We've got the all products, my products, my membership. You can add some different bits here. It's got the link where it goes to, if it's visible, if you're logged in, logged out. Just some stuff if you've got there's a lot of different things you might want to use it for. Next up, we have the coupons here, and coupons are basically, obviously what they sound like, coupons. So these are going to be discounts for people that join your Teachable. So you can have some discounts here, basically. Over here, we've got the bio section. This is biographies of the different authors. You can just add a little one here, just a little brief thing about what they do, what they specialize in, all that kind of stuff. Next up, we have the pages section here. And this is basically the pages that you can see on the website. So here is my homepage. And if I go over here, I can edit this. And it's going to bring me over to a page editor that looks like this. So over here, I can just go on to each section. So we've got different sections here, and I can go to the left here and I can change the text. So we can say welcome, for example, and then we can change the subheading text. So welcome to my Teachable. You can add buttons. You've got button text. Put the show button on here. Yeah, so you've got buttons. You can change it up there. You can also change the background image here. But it kind of works like any normal builder. You can go into the design section here, so you can change the background color, the heading color, text color, and you change the padding at the top and the bottom. So this is basically just allowing me to customize my homepage. At the bottom here, you can see the different products that we have will be listed here. Now, if I go back, you can click this button that says add new block. And basically this is going to allow you to add a block depending on what you want. So if you want images, you can do that. You've got text, button, video, email lead form, and then we've got some layouts. So, you've got image with text would be a layout. So that's that one. You've got banner, which is the top one, text with image grid, and then featured products. So what we could do is we could do that, and then we could click here and we could add that in. And we've just added a image. We can select the image there, the URL, all that kind of stuff. To go ahead and save it, we just click publish, and then we can go ahead and preview it. And you can see this is the website. All the changes will be on here. Now that's pretty much all the settings that you can do for the site. There are a few more, but those are the main ones to look at. Now the next thing we can do here is the courses and coaching themselves. So depending on what kind of product we sell here, we can select it. So if you want to sell a course, you can do course, coaching, digital product, community, you get the point. So I'm going to click on course here, and I'm going to click create course. So first of all, we've got to name the course. So I'm going to say YouTube Academy. And then if you want to, you can get help with the AI. This will help you write some stuff, and click continue. So to jumpstart the course, it says use the power of AI to generate an outline, lesson, text content, all that kind of stuff. So we have to basically describe what's in the course. I'm going to say, we teach people how to utilize YouTube search traffic to generate leads and revenue. I'm not sure if that's long enough. We'll click generate and we'll see what it comes up with. Now it's going to take a little while, obviously, because it's literally thinking about this, it's generating it. So you might have to wait like up to a minute or so. So over here we can see it's now created a curriculum for me. So we've got welcome, we've got why YouTube is effective for generating leads and revenue, creating and optimizing your channel, understanding YouTube search traffic, planning and creating engaging content, scripting and storyboarding your videos, filming and editing, keyword research, optimizing, thumbnails. So basically, it's created a full course here, and it's actually pretty good. So this is quite good if you need some inspiration. What we can then do is we can go into one of these sections, and it's already generated some stuff, but we can just go into here, we can edit this, edit the content out like that if we want to. We can also add some stuff like videos into these. I can add content here, so I can add image, video, PDF, audio. There's tons of things I can add. And if I click preview here, I'm going to preview this lesson. So you can see this is how all the lessons actually look that it's just created. Now some more things to look at is we have the curriculum, which is what we've just seen here. So you can publish it, you can drip it. So dripping it basically means basically drip feeding it to people, and you can set a duration. So that means that they'll receive this on their first week. You can get them to receive this on their second week, or this on their third week, or you can do day 1, day 2, day 3. You can basically drip the content to them so they don't get it all in one go. Next up, we have design templates. So this basically is just pretty self-explanatory. This is how the actual course is going to look here. Now they have 2 templates here. I don't know if you can get some more. It says, I think you probably can, but I've never actually tried. And this is the information tab. So this is basically the basic information about your course. And yeah, it's pretty self-explanatory. You can change the title, you can add branding, all that kind of stuff. Next up, we have pricing. So pricing is a pricing plan. So you can select free, one-time purchase, payment plan, or subscription. It really depends what you do. Maybe you'll do one-time purchase and payment plan for high-ticket offers, and subscriptions for like lower ticket stuff maybe. But it's really up to you what you do for that. Then sales pages. We can create a sales page similar to the website builder. This will allow you to kind of make a little funnel. It will kind of teach you what's going to be included. And it's kind of like an all-in-one system that allows them to enroll in the course and just go and directly purchase it from here, which is quite good. It means that you don't have to take them off platform and stuff like that. And you can actually integrate your payment processes into this, I believe, so that people can just pay directly through the website. So yeah, you've got this here, and then you can turn on PayPal, all that kind of stuff. So that's basically how you use Teachable. If you enjoyed the video and found it useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and also comment down below that it helped you out. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.